Hi, I'm Dave Frank with Subaru. Today we're going to talk to you about the most common engine in the marketplace, which is the walk-behind lawnmower engine. Right, before doing any oil changes or cleaning your air cleaner, you want to make sure you disconnect the spark plug boot from the engine. Therefore, we don't risk any chance of the engine starting with you nearby. All right, so what we have here is a Subaru 175cc vertical shaft engine. What you can see on the side of the engine here is a fuel shutoff. Now, not all verticals offer this option. However, Subaru does standard across the board. So if you own a Subaru, you're in luck. It has it. If you don't, I'm going to show you what you can do in that case. Next time you buy one though, you might want to buy a Subaru. First thing you're going to do is shut off the fuel. You're going to go ahead and fill up the fuel tank. Remember to add your fuel stabilizer. Use what the manufacturer of the stabilizer recommends. Now we're going to go ahead and fill up that fuel tank. Please, once again, make sure that you have your fuel shutoff valve in the off position. This should also be in the off position when storing it at any length of time. All right, now I'm going to actually show you how to drain the carburetor bowl. Now, if you own somebody else's engine and it doesn't have a fuel shutoff, what you can do in this case is A, either run the fuel completely out of the fuel tank, or B, you can go ahead and open up the fuel valve and run it out of the carburetor. Now on Subaru engines, we actually have a little carburetor drain. This also is not common on all walk-behind mowers. So if that's the case, that you don't have a drain, next time you buy an engine, make sure it's a Subaru. All right, if you aren't lucky enough to have the drain, the next option is to actually take out the bowl itself. Now, underneath every carburetor bowl, there's a bolt that holds the bowl on. You got to go ahead and loosen that bolt, and the bowl will actually drop out. What you're going to want to do is just make sure you get it nice and clean. What you're going to want to do now is go ahead and put the bowl back on. Now you want to line this up correctly. This is extremely important. Now once again, if you have a Subaru, you can skip this whole section and just use the carburetor drain. All right. So now we got our bolt lined up, the bowl back in it. We're going to go ahead and make that snug. And that, my friends, is what you have to do to winterize your engine. Hopefully, you learned a lot about winterizing your engine. You can check us out on YouTube, our website, to learn more about other things, like spring tune-up.